Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to try to recreate this look that I found on Pinterest, and I honestly like the very dark lip that Kendall Jenner, man, I can't speak, Kendall Jenner is wearing. And I don't know, I thought that this will be such a great makeup look for Valentine's Day. I like that the base is so simple, but yet the very dark vampire lip is, I don't know, I find it very chic and fashionable. Let's start by putting my hair out of my face. So I've already done like my skincare, and I've already put like moisturizer, sunscreen and all that. So now I'm just gonna use a concealer. You can use a foundation if you want. I'm not so into foundations. If you guys know, I'm more into concealers. Concealer that I'm wearing is this one by Maybelline. Pretty sure you've already seen me use this quite a few times here on YouTube. I'm not so much of a makeup hoarder. I'm gonna link also some other makeup videos that maybe you would like to watch. Now I'm gonna use a beauty blender. Like on the picture, Kendall Jenner have like this really flawless skin, and I don't know, I don't have flawless skin, but I just like to use concealer to conceal everything. I'm going to do another layer of concealer just because when you sport a dark lip, when you wear a dark lip, you really need to have like a flawless base. So another layer of concealer. By the way, I know a lot of people like to dampen their beauty blender, but I don't. I don't like to dampen my beauty blender. I find that it does take the product, and so I don't know. I am a fan of a really dry beauty blender. Comment down below if you're a dry beauty blender person, or do you need to soak your beauty blender with water? I'd like to know. Also, it's currently flooding in front of my house, so that's why I'm here filming. At least I have something to do, otherwise I'm a bit bored. But yeah. Also lately I have like no inspiration for YouTube, which is weird, so I kind of like film like the day before I upload it. So I'm again here filming on a Saturday, and I try to upload every Sunday, like once a week, but sometimes I just have no idea, so it's kind of hard to keep up with the creative juice. So I hope that you're not bored seeing me do things like similar videos like every week. Okay, once I'm happy with how my base looks like, I'm now gonna use a primer. So this is an eye primer that I like to use, and you have seen me wear it like, I don't know, again a gazillion times. Again, I'm a huge fan of drugstore products. I think that you can really create beautiful looks with simple makeup and simple products. So now I'm gonna powder my face, and I'm using my all-time favorite by Revlon. Okay, once we're happy with how the base of your face looks like, then we are moving towards the eyebrows. We are now going to set the eyebrows. I'm really sorry if all my makeup looks are kind of boring, because I always use like the same product, but that's how I am. I'm a girl who always like uses the same product and rewears her clothes a gazillion ways. That is just my philosophy of life. I am gonna try to make my eyebrows darker, because on the picture her eyebrows are dark, but then again she has also really dark hair in this picture. I'm gonna see the picture now again, because I kind of forget what is the eye look. So she is like sporting like this really like subtle brown, almost like the same color like of her eyelids, like same color of her eyelids, but a bit more enhanced. I am now taking this palette that you've probably already seen in my capsule makeup collection, and there is like this color, that I'm gonna use all over my eyelids. I honestly like that her eye look is super subtle. I'm a huge fan of like simple makeup, wearable makeup. I don't like cakey makeup just because I think the skin of my texture is not, doesn't suit cakey makeup, but I also live in a very hot and humid country, so I just can't wear cakey makeup because it will just melt away. So I'm now going to use a blending brush and I'm going to define my crease line. I'm now going to use this Charlotte Tilbury palette. I think it's the Pillow Talk palette, and I'm gonna use like this pink shade, which is called Enhance. Yeah, number 2. And so because I think on the picture her crease line is not that dark, so I think if I use this it would be a bit too dark, so that's why I'm gonna use like this pink one, just a bit. I'm gonna use the same color on the other side. So I'm gonna use that same color that I've put on my crease under my eyes so that the eye look looks cohesive and not like messy. Okay, once you're happy with your eye look, I'm now gonna curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna put on some mascara. You have seen me done this again a gazillion times on all of my beauty videos. In this picture, Kendall Jenner is wearing like fake eyelashes, I'm pretty sure, or she has really natural, beautiful eyelashes, but I am not a fan of using fake eyelashes and I'm not really good at putting them on. But if you are super good at it and if you want to put it and you want to have a more dramatic look, then go for it. I'm now going to prime my eyelashes with my favorite Dr. Mascara Fixer by Etude House. Seriously cannot live without this product. Going to use this mascara by Maybelline. I'm also going to put a bit of mascara under my eyes, and I'm gonna use this one by Clinique, and it's the Lash Power Mascara Extension Visible. To be honest, I don't have a lot of lower eyelash, so I don't know, I seldom do this, but I know in the picture you can see that she did put a bit of mascara on her bottom eyelashes. And fun fact, I have more bottom eyelashes on the left side of my eye rather than on my right side. Very weird. In the picture, you can see that she has a bit of highlighter on the inner corner of her eyes. So I'm now gonna use a, what is this called? The Eye Color Stick by Body Shop to just put a bit of highlighter inside the corner of my eyes. And this is in the color Miami Sunset, and it looks like this. I'm going to enhance that inner corner highlighter with highlighter, and I'm gonna use this one by Wet n Wild, and it is the highlighting powder Mega Glow highlighting powder by Wet n Wild in the color Precious Petals. I'm gonna take this brush, dip it in. It's very subtle, guys, but I think her look is also quite subtle if you see on the picture. I'm now going to line my eyes with a liquid eyeliner because to create that really beautiful cat eye look. And I love a cat eye look because that is the makeup that I like to wear every single day. I always like to wear liquid eyeliner. Because it is a more intense look, I'm gonna do my eyeliner until the inner corner of my eyes. Normally I just like to do like a third out, like the outer third of my eyes, but because this is more of a dramatic look, I'm gonna do and line my entire eye. So I really try to do my best to do like the same eyeliner shape on both eyes. I hope I did a good job. Now let's move on to blush, bronzer, and highlighter. So in this picture, she also has like this really subtle highlighter and a subtle blush. So she definitely did contour her nose in my opinion. So we're gonna start by contouring our nose. I mean contouring my nose. So again, I'm using this palette that has already like a contour color here. I'm also going to use that same shade to contour my cheeks. I like to contour my cheeks by pulling it down and then I pull it a bit up to lift those cheekbones that I don't have. And then I like to go here a bit to make my, what is it called? My head a bit smaller. And down here, I like to go here too. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I go down and then I lift it up. Okay, once you're happy with how you have contoured your whole face, I am now going to move on to blush. I'm now going to use this blush color, which is from the brand Catrice, and it's in the color, if I'm not mistaken, Berry in number 40, and it is a waterproof blush, so it's gonna hold and stay on your face for a very long time. And I think that this is a nice color that is similar to what Kendall Jenner is wearing. The pan, it looks really pink, but because I have an olive tone skin, then it kind of looks a bit darker. I'm gonna contour here just to define again the cheeks. So now I'm gonna do a bit of highlighter onto my face. So I'm now going to use the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter that I've used on the inner corner of my eyes. I'm using this brush. Again, on the picture you can see that she has a really subtle highlighter, and so that is what I'm trying to achieve. I really like this highlighter, it's so pretty. Okay, we are now going to move on to my lips. So I'm gonna hydrate my lips by using this Nivea lip balm. Actually, this whole makeup look is all about the lips. I'm now going to use a lip liner, and this one is in the color 14C, and it's by Makeup Forever. So I'm a bit overlining my lips, as you can see. I'm now going to use this Revlon lipstick, and it's in the color Raisin, and it is a super lustrous lipstick, and I really like this range. The super lustrous lipsticks by Revlon are honestly like the best. See? So on the picture you can see that Kendall Jenner has like this ombre effect on her lips, but I do not have a darker shade to put like on the outer corner of my lips, so I'm still going to use this lipstick, and I only have this shade which matches a bit like hers on the picture. I'm gonna put my earrings now. Look at the glow, guys, how pretty. So yeah, this is my recreation of the Kendall Jenner makeup look. I hope that you've enjoyed this makeup video so far. What do you guys think? Did I did a good job, or was this a fail? I don't know. But honestly, I think it looks pretty decent. And yeah, obviously I do not look anything like her, but yeah, very subtle and dark lips. I wish like this color, like my lip color, was a bit more darker to match her lip color, but mine has more of a reddish undertone while hers has more like a purple undertone. But yeah, what do you guys think? I honestly think that it looks pretty good. So yeah, thank you for sticking by with me. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and if you do recreate this look, you can always tag me on Instagram so that I can see your recreation of this look. But yeah, have a nice day and happy Valentine's, and see you next week with a new video. Bye.